Change your Pinterest account from personal to business with these simple steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Now, make sure your account is set to public. Next, tap on your profile icon from the bottom menu icons. This will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside settings, tap on account management. Here, you'll see an option that says Convert to Business Account. Tap on it. Pinterest will ask you to confirm the change. Just tap on Convert Account. Now you'll need to fill in a few details, starting with the profile name. If your business has a website, you can link it here. Then describe the type of your business. And that's it. Your personal Pinterest account is converted to a business account.